Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding interests to TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open TikTok and from the homepage tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three lines button in the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. In Settings, under the Content and Display heading, select Content Preferences. Tap Update Interests if the option is there. Now tap to select the interests you would like to add. When you have selected all of the interests that you would like to add, tap Save at the bottom of the page. If the option to update interests is not there, then follow the next steps. Close the TikTok app and open your phone's settings. Go to the app settings if you are on Android, or scroll down to TikTok if you are on iPhone. Scroll down to and tap on TikTok. Select Storage. Now tap Clear Cache and Clear Data, then tap Delete on the pop-up. Doing this will log you out of TikTok, so be sure you know your password. Open up TikTok again and log into your account. You can now select your interests and tap Next. Your TikTok interests have been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.